Luscious and thick hair is something that we all desire for. It makes a woman look beautiful and makes a man look handsome and young. Doesn't matter in which place you live, hair fall is one problem that we all face. Preventing hair thinning and baldness is very difficult. Chemical-laden shampoos do more harm than good, and salon treatments are very expensive. No need to worry. In this video, I'm going to tell you a very simple yet very effective remedy to promote hair thickness and new hair growth. This oil is scientifically proven to work equal to minoxidil if used correctly. You can check for the scientific study in the description. Rosemary has been used for centuries to not only stimulate hair growth, but also delay graying. Rosemary, when applied topically in the scalp, causes the dilation of blood vessels that results in increased circulation of blood in the scalp, which in turn promotes hair growth. Rosemary has a good amount of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties that make it an ideal oil for soothing the inflamed scalp. High nutritional value of rosemary helps in adding thickness and shine to your hair, and it is best for people with thin and dull hair. Rosemary oil has self-cleaning property that helps in unclogging the hair follicles and promotes fast hair growth. It has the ability to prevent premature graying and repair the damaged hair, hence it prevents hair breakage. Here's how to use rosemary oil for hair growth. You will need 100% pure rosemary oil, 100% pure coconut oil or olive oil. Take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to it. Warm it up a little bit and add 20 drops of rosemary oil in it. Mix well. Apply this mixture on your scalp with the help of applicator or your fingertips. Make sure to massage gently in the areas of hair thinning and receding hairlines. Apply a shower cap and wrap a hot towel around your head. Let it be like that for 30 minutes. If you can leave it overnight, the benefits will be enhanced. Rinse your hair with cold or lukewarm water using a mild sulfate-free shampoo. Repeat this once or twice a week every week for best results. This remedy is time-tested and scientifically proven, and we are confident that this will bring positive results for you. If you find this video useful, please press the like button and share it with your friends. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.